serving up a holiday tradition. Every year just before holiday break, Red Cedar Elementary School makes a special stew for students and staff to enjoy.
It's so good! The soup is a 10 out of 10.
The principal used to do this at another school and decided to change the recipe to make it unique to Red Cedar.
So it started as almost like a Brunswick stew, but not exactly. And then we wanted to add all kinds of root vegetables. We have all sorts of kids here who are from Central America, and they're used to those. We're not. But you see them at the store, and after a while, with enough heads together, we put this recipe together.
Yesterday, the school created this time-lapse video of the faculty and staff prepping the ingredients for the stew. The educators were joined throughout the day by community members, chopping, peeling, and cutting the vegetables.
We had firemen here, we had police officers here, had parents here, all in this central area, and the kids could walk by and go, "Wow, that's a lot of stuff they're chopping."
Students in the 5th grade also have an important job to do before cooking can begin. The kids use their math skills to figure out how many ingredients are needed so every person in the school can enjoy their own bowl of stew.
So we estimated how much stew we'd have to make for 700 people, which was our estimate, and then since the recipe served 5 people, we divided it by 5, and then we multiplied every ingredient by 140, which was 700 divided by 5.
So I took all the amount of things that we have, and I multiplied that number by 140. Since it serves 5 people and 700 divided by 5 is 140, and I sort of got the answers by doing that.
A professional chef whose daughter attends the school also stopped by to help cook the stew. Red Cedar has been making the stew since the school opened in 2009. At Red Cedar Elementary School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.